In this video, we are going to be looking at Rivian, ticker RIVN. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels? And firstly, we can see we are basically coming into one as we speak, as we're recording this video, at $40.50 is our first deviation on the daily. We have just broke our first deviation on the 6-month chart, which was at 37.50. So really putting this chart up, what we can see really is a key focus is if we keep breaking up, this 430 is going to be quite a hard level to break. And so if we expect a push further, we want to be looking on probably an hour to a 30-minute chart, and we want to see a break above this 40.30, come back to test it as support. And as long as this level holds, meaning buying pressure kicks in once we pull back to that level, then we can expect a push to our next resistance level, which would actually provide quite a large amount of upside to around $56. Now, if we break that and continue, we're looking at $72 and $75. Again, these levels are quite close together, so if we did push up this high, this would be a strong layer of resistance. If we break that though, then we're looking at $95, $105 and $137 as final resistance levels. Now, if we're looking at the support side of things, what would we be paying attention to if Rivian starts to pull back? And as of right now, our closest support level is at $18.50, very close to that 52-week low. So really, you've got two kind of key levels of support if we come down to this level. Now, if we break that, we have one other support level at $8.50, which would be our statistical mean on the 1-year chart. From there, we don't have any other statistical levels because all the deviations turn negative, as you can see on the screen. So really, it would be looking at the key psychological levels. So $20, $17.50, $15, $12.50, $10, and so on, then going on to the whole dollar all the way down. But one thing I do want to know is I'm personally not holding any shares in Rivian. I'm not shorting, I'm not getting long, I don't hold options on it. I don't have any buys on this stock. I'm not buying it. I'm not looking to enter into a trade on Rivian. These are just my analysis on Rivian if you were looking for some sort of targets to trade it. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.